like that.
Good morning, you guys. I'm just taking my vitamins this morning. About to go to the gym, but wanted to show you guys what I take. I take the seed probiotic, and then I'm also taking a turmeric pill right now because turmeric helps me with any inflammation. And this morning I just filled a big water with the athletic greens that I have, and then I like to take a couple of the drops, like 8 to 10 of these, and then this is the chlorophyll that I have, just the Earth to Humans brand, and I think I got it on Amazon, honestly. So I just put those in here, and then I also squeezed half a lemon, and this really helps in the morning, just like detoxify everything. And then also, I usually will do like a celery juice in the morning, but I didn't have celery this morning, so I like to do that. Ew, drinking lemon seeds. This really helps me feel like way more energized too, and I just like to have this before I have a coffee. But I also have to eat something with the vitamins, otherwise my stomach, it could like make you feel a little bit nauseous if you just take it on an empty stomach. Drinking these things because they help my immunity so much. And I also had like a little glass of orange juice, just like fresh squeezed this morning, so that it helps with like anything going on. Also, actually something that I have a recording with someone in a couple of weeks with. I have a recording with this family, and they are really big. They're Christians, but they're also really big on health and wellness, and God is sort of using their ministry in that way too. So stay tuned for that because it's going to be so exciting, and I'm excited. So anyways, I'm gonna go to the gym. It's 9:30. Let's get this day started. It snowed for the first time last night. So weird. Oh my gosh. It's probably gonna go away with the rain, but it's so weird. It was actually like 70 degrees like 2 days ago, so I don't understand how this weather works. I like your sweater. Hi. Hi. I like your sweater because it snowed today.
Now the maple is back now. Mine is a light maple.
They used to be bigger.
Probably.
Yeah, they used to be 2.5 and now they're 2 dozen.
Okay, let me see.
Now you gotta fill the sauce in.
Este não te dá show headache because não tem aquela roupa.
Far.
Oh
Yeah,
that's
good. You can put a little, now you can put the tomato, it looks good.
Yeah.
And put a little high until it boil, and then you put
Flattered in my face.
a little bit low. Okay, you got it.
I need brown
You don't
sugar.
have any, I know, that's so crazy.
And then you need flour?
Yeah.
What are you making?
Cake.
That's it. So that's good. That's okay. I'm just saying because it takes flavor better.
Right.
It doesn't burn that much. Oh, the good bit too hard to boil and then you lower it.
You need regular sugar too?
Yeah. Vanessa, you say you want a little bit?
Of wine? Yeah, I just wanted not an ugly wine glass.
Oh. Oh, come on. Yeah, no.
That's right. I can't do it. I can't
So
do
you
it.
want apple crisp, apple pie?
Yeah.
Yeah, she went to go to her friend. She should be back.
Well, do some rolls. I have to be at your house.
Make a vlog.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. So today,
Day in the life of a Hartford athlete.
Here.
Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, you bother me. Did you guys have fun?
yeah, it was fun.
It looked really fun.
Yes, please, actually.
My mother loves it when, you know, their young skin. Oh, yeah.
Ciao.
Other people have made surgeries.
You're embarrassing us for that.
Nani.
She carved. I feel she's at tiny.
2 young generations right
I
here.
had to take off. I had
I
another
know.
shot.
Well, that's
I made this. Two grandmas.
They say you gotta buy a lot of house before you get the right one.
That's
So don't feel like
Yeah.
Changed, going to the gym. I honestly got dressed in 3 seconds. Just put on this cropped shirt. I don't know where it's from. I honestly, and then I just have on shorts. Because sometimes I get really hot in the gym, honestly, and then I sweat so much. So today I have legs, and I want to do this like workout before as well. Like when I get there, I'm gonna do this like just like to activate my legs, my glutes, like because I've been working out for so long, sometimes it's hard for me to feel the muscles like working if I'm not concentrating on it, because I sometimes I used to hit like a plateau, so I have to change up my workouts, because honestly I've been working out since I was, I don't know, how old was I, like 15 or 16 I was lifting weights, and I'm 22 now, so you know, then I tore my ACL twice, so that kind of like changed my body as well. But I just like to go, and my mindset's also changed on working out, like, and eating and stuff like that. But I just like to make sure I just feel good, feel strong. I personally like to feel strong, and I know when I'm pushing myself and I know when I'm not, and I think that's kind of what it comes down to. So because I've been working out for so long, like, I'll know if I used to push myself versus like if I'm not. So I feel like I usually just like enjoy lifting weights. That's kind of like what I do, if you guys didn't know. So I might bring my camera in, so I'll see. But yeah, I like to do I like to lift weights. Not really sure why. I think just maybe because how strong it makes me feel, and all the muscle gains and stuff that you get from it. But yeah, just wearing this. Gonna throw on a huge coat because it's actually like freezing out. And yeah, let's go to the gym. Throw on this coat. Okay, let's go.